Are you ready to take your mountain biking adventures to the next level? Today, we're diving into 50 bike gadgets for mountain biking that every rider should know about, packed with tools, accessories, and tech that make every ride smoother, safer, and way more fun. From essential gear for tackling tough trails to clever gadgets you didn't know you needed, this list has something for beginners and pros alike. Stay tuned till the end, because some of these innovations are absolute game changers that could completely transform your biking experience. Let's gear up and explore the ultimate mountain bike must-haves. Number 1. Triangle Modular Motorcycle Helmet. The Triangle Modular Motorcycle Helmet combines safety, comfort, and versatility for mountain bikers. Its flip-up front offers ventilation and easy communication, while DOT-approved construction ensures protection on rugged trails. The internal sun visor shields against glare, and breathable padding keeps your head cool. Adjustable straps provide a secure fit for all sizes, making it perfect for long rides, downhill adventures, or forest paths where both safety and style matter. Number 2. Tanluhu Cycling Gloves. Tanluhu full-finger cycling gloves protect and enhance performance on the trails. Breathable, sweat-wicking fabric keeps hands dry, while padded palms absorb shocks and reduce fatigue. Anti-slip silicone grips give precise control of handlebars, and full-finger covered shields against scrapes and branches. Touchscreen-compatible fingertips add convenience. Whether climbing steep trails or speeding downhill, these gloves deliver comfort, safety, and control for every mountain biking adventure. Number 3. Nocry Professional Gel Knee Pads. Nocry Professional Gel Knee Pads protect knees without restricting movement. Soft gel cushioning absorbs impacts from jumps, rocks, and falls, while heavy-duty straps keep the pads secure on rough trails. Breathable, flexible materials move with your legs, combining comfort and durability. Lightweight yet strong, these knee pads are perfect for extreme downhill runs or technical climbs, providing peace of mind and safety for bikers pushing limits in challenging terrains. Number 4. Yakeda Tactical Training Vest. The Yakeda Tactical Training Vest adds convenience and tactical storage for mountain bikers. Multiple compartments hold water, tools, energy bars, and gadgets, keeping essentials within reach. Adjustable straps ensure a snug fit, while breathable mesh panels prevent overheating. Rugged yet lightweight, it withstands off-road conditions and long rides. Combining practicality and style, this vest is perfect for day-long expeditions or fast-paced trails, keeping your gear secure and accessible. Number 5. 720 Reflective Wheel Rim Stickers. The 720 Reflective Wheel Rim stickers boost visibility and safety on trails. Made from high-visibility reflective material, they make wheels shine in low light, dawn, or dusk. Weather-resistant and durable, they withstand rain, mud, and rough rides. Easy to apply, they also add a personalized, stylish touch to your bike. Perfect for mountain bikers seeking both safety and aesthetics, these stickers increase visibility without compromising performance. Number 6. Brake-Free Smart Helmet Light. The Brake-Free Smart Helmet Light enhances visibility and trail safety. Lightweight and compact, it attaches easily to helmets, illuminating your path and signaling movements to others. Smart sensors adjust brightness based on speed and ambient light. Rechargeable and sleek, it doesn't interfere with aerodynamics or comfort. Perfect for long rides or night trails, this smart light adds safety, convenience, and advanced technology to every mountain biking adventure. Number 7. Lamicall Polarized Sports Sunglasses. Lamicall Polarized Sports Sunglasses protect eyes and improve visibility on sunny trails. Polarized lenses reduce glare, letting you spot obstacles clearly, while durable frames and UV protection keep eyes safe. Adjustable nose pads and non-slip materials ensure comfort during long rides. Lightweight and secure, these sunglasses stay in place on sharp turns or rapid descents. Ideal for mountain bikers seeking clarity, protection, and style on every trail. Number 8. Magene Bike Speed Cadence Sensor. The Magene Bike Speed Cadence Sensor tracks performance with precision. Lightweight and easy to install, it measures speed and cadence, syncing with cycling apps for detailed analysis. Built to endure bumpy, muddy trails, it delivers reliable data while monitoring your progress. Long battery life supports regular rides, making it perfect for both casual and competitive bikers. This compact sensor turns every ride into a data-driven training session. Number 9. Lysen Bike Phone Holder Mount. The Lysen Bike Phone Holder Mount keeps your phone secure and accessible on trails. Adjustable and shock absorbing, it protects devices from bumps and vibrations. 360-degree rotation allows optimal viewing angles for GPS, music, or ride tracking. Quick to install and compatible with most smartphones, it ensures your device stays in place even on rugged terrain. Perfect for navigation and connectivity while exploring new mountain biking routes. Number 10. Coderly Digital Altimeter Compass. The Coderly Digital Altimeter Compass combines navigation and tracking for mountain bikers. With altimeter, compass, barometer, and temperature display, it provides real-time data for exploration. Compact, rugged, and weather-resistant, it withstands demanding outdoor conditions. Easy to mount or carry, it gives instant readings to guide your trail rides. Ideal for adventurers seeking accuracy, it ensures you navigate forests, mountains, and unknown paths with confidence and precision. Number 11. SpyTech Mini GPS Tracker. The SpyTech Mini GPS Tracker ensures you never lose track of your bike or equipment. Compact and portable, it provides real-time location tracking through a smartphone app. Durable and discreet, it withstands rough conditions while offering peace of mind during rides or storage. Perfect for mountain bikers who want security and control, this tracker helps keep your gear safe without adding bulk or complexity. Number 12. Glotterv H11. LED fog light bulbs. Glotterv H11 LED fog light bulbs improve visibility in low light or foggy conditions. Energy efficient and bright, they cut through mist, rain, or early morning rides, enhancing safety. Easy to install and long-lasting, these bulbs withstand vibrations and outdoor elements. Ideal for night rides or mountain biking in variable weather, they provide clear illumination, helping bikers stay visible and confident on challenging trails. Number 13. Rockbros Waterproof Bike Phone Bag. The Rockbros Waterproof Bike Phone Bag keeps your smartphone safe and accessible during rides. Transparent, touch-sensitive material allows full device use without removing it, while the waterproof design protects against rain or splashes. Easy to mount on handlebars, it provides storage for phones, keys, or small items. Perfect for mountain bikers navigating trails, it combines convenience, protection, and accessibility in one compact solution. Number 14. Wapkdup Rechargeable LED Headlamp. The Wapkdup Rechargeable LED Headlamp lights your path during early morning or night rides. Lightweight and adjustable, it provides bright, focused illumination while keeping hands free for handling your bike. Rechargeable batteries ensure long-lasting use, and multiple modes adapt to different trail conditions. Durable and comfortable, it's ideal for mountain bikers who ride in low-light environments and need reliable, portable lighting. Number 15. Active Life LED Bike Wheel. Wheel lights. Active Life LED Bike Wheel. Wheel lights enhance visibility and style simultaneously. Easy to attach to spokes, they illuminate wheels with vibrant, colorful patterns, making you more noticeable to others in low-light conditions. Weather-resistant and durable, they endure rain, mud, and rough trails. Perfect for night rides or urban commuting, these lights improve safety while adding a dynamic, eye-catching look to your mountain bike. Number 16. WorkPro Rechargeable Bike Light Set. The WorkPro Rechargeable Bike Light Set ensures safety on trails or roads. Front and rear lights provide bright illumination, alerting others and enhancing your visibility in darkness. USB rechargeable batteries offer convenience and long run time, while water-resistant construction withstands rain or mud. Lightweight and compact, this set is ideal for mountain bikers and commuters seeking reliable, easy-to-install lights for safe, worry-free rides. Number 17. West Biking Mini Bike Pump. The West Biking Mini Bike Pump is a compact, portable solution for keeping tires properly inflated. Lightweight and durable, it easily fits in a backpack or mounts on your frame. With reliable pressure and a universal nozzle, it handles road, mountain, or hybrid bike tires efficiently. Perfect for mountain bikers who want a backup pump for trails, it ensures you stay prepared for flats without carrying heavy gear. Number 18. Briskmore CO2 Inflator Kit. The Briskmore CO2 Inflator Kit provides fast, efficient tire inflation on the go. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily into your gear bag or jersey pocket. The kit includes CO2 cartridges for quick recovery from flats or low pressure, saving time during rides. Ideal for mountain bikers tackling rough trails, it's a reliable, space-saving tool to keep your tires ready without bulky pumps. Number 19. Oria 42 in 1 Screwdriver Set. The Oria 42 in 1 Screwdriver Set is a versatile toolkit for bike maintenance. With multiple bits and a compact case, it handles bolts, screws, and small repairs efficiently. Durable, organized, and portable, it's perfect for adjusting brakes, derailleurs, or accessories during rides. Mountain bikers benefit from having a full toolkit in one compact package, ensuring they can tackle trail repairs without extra bulk. Number 20. Umer's Bike Chain Repair Tool Set. The Umer's Bike Chain Repair Tool Set keeps your chain in top condition. Compact yet durable, it includes tools for removing, repairing, and reinstalling chains efficiently. Lightweight and portable, it fits easily in a backpack or saddlebag. Perfect for mountain bikers who want to maintain drivetrain performance on trails, this set ensures smooth, reliable rides and reduces the risk of breakdowns while minimizing gear weight. Number 21. True Tension Tire Monkey Lever. The True Tension Tire Monkey Lever makes tire changes fast and effortless. Its durable, lightweight design allows you to remove and install bike tires without damaging rims. Compact and portable, it easily fits in a repair kit or backpack, making it perfect for mountain bikers on the trail. Whether you're fixing a flat or switching tires, this lever saves time and hassle while keeping your bike in top condition. Number 22. XP PSAF Bike Tire Repair Kit. The XP-SAF Bike Tire Repair Kit is essential for trailside fixes. Compact and organized, it includes patches, glue, and tools to repair punctures quickly. Durable components ensure long-lasting use, and its portable design fits easily into backpacks or saddlebags. Ideal for mountain bikers, this kit allows you to handle unexpected flats efficiently, keeping rides uninterrupted and safe without carrying bulky gear. Number 23. FocoPot 9 PCs Bike Cleaning Kit. The FocoPot 9 PCs Bike Cleaning Kit keeps your mountain bike spotless and performing well. With brushes, scrapers, and cloths, it reaches every chain, gear, and frame surface. Lightweight, portable, and easy to store, it's perfect for regular maintenance at home or after muddy trail rides. Durable materials ensure long-lasting use, making this kit a must-have for bikers who value cleanliness, performance, and bike longevity. Number 24. Zacro Gel Padded Bike Seat Cushion. The Zacro Gel Padded Bike Seat Cushion enhances comfort on long rides. With thick gel padding and ergonomic design, it reduces pressure on sight bones, preventing soreness during extended trails. Easy to install and compatible with most bike saddles, it's lightweight yet durable. Perfect for mountain bikers tackling long distances or rough terrain. This cushion improves comfort without sacrificing performance or adding bulk to your ride. Number 25. Mark Ergo Bike Handlebar Grips. Mark Ergo bike handlebar grips offer comfort and control for any trail. Ergonomically designed, they reduce hand fatigue and absorb vibrations from rough terrain. Non-slip material ensures a secure grip even in wet or muddy conditions. Lightweight and durable, these grips are easy to install and fit most handlebars. Ideal for mountain bikers seeking better control, comfort, and reduced strain during long, challenging rides. Number 26. Water Buffalo Hydration Backpack. The Water Buffalo Hydration Backpack keeps riders hydrated without interrupting the flow. Lightweight and adjustable, it features a built-in water reservoir and easy-access drinking tube. Multiple compartments store tools, snacks, and personal items securely. Perfect for long mountain biking sessions, it balances weight comfortably on your back while providing essential hydration, making it an essential accessory for endurance rides or hot trail conditions. Number 27. Kemomoto ATV Motorcycle Tank Bag. The Kemomoto ATV Motorcycle Tank Bag offers secure storage for essentials during rides. Its durable, weather-resistant construction protects valuables like tools, keys, or phones from dirt, rain, and bumps. Easy to attach and remove, it stays firmly in place on the tank or bike frame. Compact yet spacious, it's perfect for mountain bikers or ATV riders who need convenient storage without bulky backpacks or saddlebags. Number 28. Rhino Walk Waterproof Handlebar Bag. The Rhino Walk Waterproof Handlebar Bag keeps gear dry and accessible. Mounting securely to handlebars, it stores phones, keys, snacks, or small tools while riding. Waterproof materials protect contents from rain or splashes, and compact design avoids interference with steering. Perfect for mountain bikers exploring unpredictable trails. This bag provides convenience, safety, and quick access to essentials, making every ride smoother and more organized. Number 29. IE Sogno Garmin Edge Bike Mount. The IE Sogno Garmin Edge Bike Mount securely holds cycling computers for precise navigation. Adjustable and durable, it ensures devices stay in place even on bumpy trails. Quick installation and 360-degree rotation provide optimal viewing angles for speed, distance, and GPS data. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for mountain bikers seeking reliable, accessible, and secure tracking of performance and navigation without bulky attachments. Number 30. Cool Runner Retro Bike Buglehorn. The Cool Runner Retro Bike Buglehorn adds safety and style to rides. Its loud, clear sound alerts pedestrians and fellow riders, enhancing trail and road awareness. Compact and lightweight, it mounts easily to handlebars without taking up space. Perfect for mountain bikers seeking a functional yet stylish accessory, it combines retro charm with practical safety, ensuring you're heard on busy trails or urban paths. Number 31. BolaBuddy Portable Bluetooth Speaker. The BolaBuddy portable Bluetooth speaker lets you enjoy music on the trails. Compact, lightweight, and weather-resistant, it delivers clear sound even outdoors. Long battery life ensures hours of entertainment during rides or breaks. Easy to attach to a backpack or bike frame, it provides portable audio without adding bulk. Perfect for mountain bikers who want motivation, fun, or a soundtrack while exploring trails. Number 32. Greyhoe Folding Gear Shift Lever. The Greyhoe Folding Gear Shift Lever